Mesdames et messieurs, vous que nous suivez partout à travers le monde, en France, aux États-Unis d'Amérique, au Canada, en Afrique, je cite la République démocratique du Congo, en Côte d'Ivoire, au Gabon, partout à travers le monde où vous nous suivez, nous vous saluons cordialement et fraternellement. Et voilà, nous nous retrouvons encore une fois de plus dans le cadre de notre émission Business Concept, qui est un magazine qui vous permet de faire la découverte des opportunités d'affaires qu'il y a aux Émirats Arabes Unis. Alors, bien avant l'entrée du jeu, j'aimerais, comme d'habitude, remercier le président Kadima qui nous a donné la possibilité de pouvoir œuvrer dans cette société, qui nous a donné la possibilité de réaliser nos émissions dans de très bonnes conditions. Et très rapidement, au Gabon, sans oublier, je cite le révérend Tite Fallou, ainsi que sa charmante épouse. Et je n'oublierai pas tous les fidèles du Centre culturel chrétien international pour tous les conseils que vous nous prodiguez afin de pouvoir perfectionner notre travail. Alors pour aujourd'hui, je reçois pour vous des agents de cette société. Alors je serai beaucoup plus en anglais parce que ce sont des sujets anglophones qui s'expriment en anglais. Nous allons aborder des questions que vous connaîtrez au fur et à mesure que vous suivez notre émission, parce qu'il y aura des écrits qui seront affichés au bas de vos écrans pour interpréter tout ce qu'elles vous diront. Alors, dear internet users and viewers, we receive for you our sisters and colleagues of this company, Winner Star General Trading. So, I'm going straight to say hi.
Hello, Mr. Ashinan. Welcome to Winner Star.
Okay, thank you. How are you?
All is well, Mr. Ashinan, and welcome to the viewers also.
Okay, that's very good. So, can you introduce yourself to our viewers and internet users and tell them what are you doing here in this company?
Okay, bonjour. My name is Elsa, and I'm working here in Winner Star for 2 years now.
Yeah.
Okay, Winner Star General Trading LLC does quick and easy documentation to ensure timely and efficient delivery of your goods, merchandises, and product. With clear shipping instruction, our customers are having comfortable experience at their daily business transactions and business partner transactions. So Winner Star Trading LLC, also Mr. Ashinan, they are doing planning and logistics of containers in a timely manner so that the customer will never incur any unnecessary delay, unnecessary expenses, and they are free of worries. This in partnership with the transporters, with the shipping lines, with the custom, and the inter-agency link in our office. And thirdly, Mr. Ashinan, those customers who wants to visit here in Dubai, we are doing the entry visa processing at an affordable rate and the very easiest procedures that we are doing. So that's what we are doing here at Winner Star.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm coming back to you.
Okay.
Let me ask some questions to my guests in my left side also. Hello.
How are you, Mr. Ashi?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. It's my privilege to be talking with you and telling about something about Winner Star.
Okay, that's very good. So, can you introduce yourself to our viewers and internet users?
Sure.
And tell them what are you doing here in this company?
What I'm doing here.
Yeah.
So first of all, I know that we have a lot of viewers. I know that we have a lot of customers there.
Yeah.
So this will be the information of our new viewers. So please allow me to introduce myself. I'm Catherine from Philippines. And I've been working with Winner Star for 6 years. And for the information of all, Winner Star General Trading LLC it's already 9 years here in Dubai. I'm the one who needs to check the accounts of our valued customers. At the same time, if there are some questions regarding with the services that we can provide them, they can easily check with me. And of course, I'm the secretary of the owner, which is Mr. Kadima.
Okay, that's very, very good. Thank you for all those information you provide to our internet users. Alors, mesdames et messieurs, comprenez donc avec ces agents qui viennent de se présenter tout à l'heure, nous ne pouvons que parler en anglais parce qu'elles sont complètement anglophones. Alors, avant de poursuivre notre émission, j'aimerais vous demander, s'il vous plaît, chers fidèles internautes et téléspectateurs, vous qui n'êtes pas encore abonnés à notre chaîne, de bien vouloir le faire. Et n'oubliez pas d'activer la cloche de notification. Ensuite, likez la vidéo si elle vous plaît. So, I'm coming back to you.
Yes,
dear
Mr.
Elsa.
Astronaut, yes.
Yeah. So, our internet users need to know what do you say to all Africans
Okay.
who like the provision of your services?
Okay, in this, we would like to request any customer who wants to do business with Winnestar
Yeah.
to have their kind cooperation in providing us the documents, like the current documents, photograph and other supporting documents in order for us to transact the business properly.
Yeah.
That will ensure a prompt and correct procedures for the business. So that's it, Mr. Ashinoy.
Okay, that's very good. I'm going straight to my left side to ask the Casey.
Yes.
What can you tell our loyal internet users and viewers about the services your company offers?
Actually, you will be amazed because as you can see from our name, company's name is Winnestar General Trading LLC. You will be the winner, you will be the star, and of course, general means to say we have a lot of things that we need to, we can export. So mainly we are exporting goods. So first we are doing shipping, we ship containers,
Yeah.
container cargo to any point of Africa. Not only in Africa, we can also export your goods to any part of the world. Before we have tried also in New York.
Yeah.
We had some customer from
In New York?
Yeah, we.
Are you sure?
Yes, of
Really?
course. Yes,
Okay.
it's Mr. Freddy Luquengo. If you can check with him, we have
Okay.
one customer and we had one container going to New York.
Yeah.
Not also New York. If you want, you can ask me. You can ask anyone from Winnestar. Any destination we can provide you.
Okay.
And another one is we do warehousing. When we say warehousing, if our customers are buying their goods, and of course they don't have enough time, we have a big warehouse which is located at Jebel Ali, so they can put their goods there for some time during the loading, so they will be comfortable there. If you want, you can check our warehouse, it's big. And another one is procurement guidance, means to say we have sales agents here. We have agents. We can guide our customers to buy their goods. We can send them to our suppliers, wherein they can buy very affordable goods. We can guide them. And then lastly, of course, what Ate Elsa said, we have also visas. So for those people who are there in Africa, or we can provide visa for them.
Okay.
For them to come here, and it's just easy. It's just like maybe 1-2 days if they will send us the requirements. Without any delays, we can provide them the visa. Because especially now, I know that many of our customers are planning now to come back here in Dubai because
Yeah.
it's been how many months that we've been missing them because of
Yeah.
this pandemic.
Okay.
So we are so excited to see them again.
So another question is, our internet users would like to know in how many African countries do you facilitate the transportation of goods, and tell them, if possible, which cities of these countries you handle your containers.
We have too much destination. You can name it and we can send your goods directly without any delays. We have Matadi, Boma, Kinshasa, name it, New York, anywhere, South Africa, anywhere we can send your goods. And Dar es Salaam, Tema, right? And there's a lot more things. If you want to check what are the destination, I believe we will be flashing the contact number. We have the email address. We have also Facebook account, so you can check there. what are the services and the destinations, the rates, they can check with us.
Okay, thank you very much for all the explaining that you provide to our internet users. So I'm going straight to my right side to ask another question to the Elsa.
Yes, Mr.
So
Ashinan.
they want to know. So what guarantee you give to those who would like your remote services without coming here in the United Arab Emirates? That is to say, do you accept orders from remote customers? And what is the procedure? They want to know about that.
Okay, so I would be gladly to discuss that one, Mr. Ashinan. First of all, Winterstar General Trading offices, which provide efficient, quick, and courteous, have different offices. So we have Matadi, Kinshasa, Dar es Salaam, Lubumbashi, Boma, and Bojumai.
Okay.
So in these multiple offices that we have, this will ensure nationwide services on any part in which the customer needs their product to reach. We, Winterstar, are equipped with the most modern internet system that link our daily, hourly services on time. See, Mr. Ashinan, the internet platform nowadays is, it's very easy, very convenient, and quick to response. Internet, we can open it anytime with our Android phone, in our homes, in our offices, and everywhere, any other place where we are conducting the business. So we can ensure that we will be communicating with them once they want to or do the business to Winterstar. So this internet will ensure a timely, on-time business transaction with Winterstar General Trading LLC.
Okay, thank you very much, dear Elsa, for all the explaining you provide. So, j'aimerais dire à tous nos téléspectateurs, fidèles internautes, s'il vous plaît, abonnez-vous massivement, activez la cloche de notification. Je crois que les explications qui sont fournies par nos consoeurs de travail vous seront traduites au bas de vos écrans pour que la compréhension soit bel et bien nette. So we are going to end this broadcasting. I would like you to say what should be your last word for this magazine, and also if you have some friends, some brothers, sisters all over the world, in Philippines or I don't know around, if you can greet them, it's gonna be very right.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Ashinan. We would like to send the greetings for our customer. We have Papa Stanis, hello. Papa Delphine, hello. And Papa Rafael Lasumba also, hello. And we would be glad to see you back here in Dubai also. And for the other customer, valued customer of Winterstar, for the last message that I would be having, the management of Winterstar General Trading LLC, in behalf of the leadership of Mr. Kadima Mukendi and all the staff, will ensure that you will be at home. At the same time, the best experience and the best quality of the service, we will ensure that one. When it comes to container ship, Winterstar is the best. With us, you will be the star and you will always be a winner. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, dear Elsa. So, I'm going straight to you.
Yes,
my
I'm so
dear
excited
Casey.
To greet
What should be your last word?
But first, I will say hello to our customers because we really miss them, and we are so waiting for their containers. We want to see them. So first, let me greet them first. Our customer, Papa Delphine, Papa Richard, Papa Jackie's mom, Papa Stanis, and I know if I will greet them all, it's not enough. So we are happy to see them again, and of course, our last word is we are so happy because we know that customers are coming back. As Ate said, Once you try, you will never regret loading with us. You will never regret. We will send your containers on time. We have very hospitable people in warehouse as well as here in office, and of course our leader, Mr. Kadima Mukendi. It's great. So see you. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much, my dear guest. Voilà, fidèles internautes, nous sommes arrivés à la fin de notre émission. Comme vous le savez, la télé, c'est le temps. Je crois que j'aimerais dire ceci à vous tous qui nous avez suivis, qu'à côté d'un homme vaillant, à côté d'un homme qui est fort, à côté d'un homme qui réussit, il y a une femme qui est là, tout le temps, qui veille, qui veut que les choses marchent bien. Et là, je vois directement notre chère maman, maman Abisoya Boto, maman Pamela Mbombo, ceux qui ont été maman de Moussala Otozo Salamote. Si nous parvenons à bien travailler, c'est parce que quelque part, vous vous investissez à maintenir notre boss en bonne et due forme. Et voilà pourquoi je ne peux pas continuer cette émission sans pour autant vous manifester ma gratitude. Maman Pamela Mbombo, Maman Yabana, Nzambe Apambola Yamigi. Et j'aimerais remercier aussi nos amis qui nous ont suivis du côté de la France. Là, je vois Jeunesse Afouès. En République démocratique du Congo, là, je vois mon ami Tade Moutaba Kimoto, l'inspecteur de la CNSS. Je ne t'oublie pas, mon ami. Richard Omela, mon ami du côté de la RDC. J'aimerais saluer encore une fois de plus les amis qui m'ont suivi à partir de l'Afrique du Sud. Là, je vois mon ami Trésor Logotomba. Je salue en passant aussi nos amis de ce pays qui nous suivent à Dubaï, principalement Bacho Bacharan Fumukoyi. Nous avons Dani Fumukoyi. Il y a Henri Malango. En tout cas, je ne vous oublie pas, vous tous qui me témoignez votre amour à tout moment que j'ai besoin de vous. Vous vous montrez à moi. Je vous dis sincèrement merci et surtout pour le message de soutien que vous ne cessez de m'envoyer tout le jour. Et aussi, je n'oublierai pas les remarques. Et surtout, j'aimerais que vous puissiez vraiment beaucoup plus marteler là-dessus quand vous suivez nos numéros que nous mettons à votre disposition pour l'amélioration de la qualité du service que nous vous prestons. J'aimerais en tout cas bénéficier de tout le conseil que vous allez me prodiguer. J'attends vos critiques pour améliorer mon travail. Alors, sans plus tarder, j'aimerais dire merci à la réalisation. Donc là, je vois monsieur Nixon Arobazé, la tête extraterrestre, un garçon rempli d'énergie, beaucoup d'intelligence et du savoir, ainsi que Kevin Issa qui est parti pour les vacances au Congo. En tout cas, Kevin Issa, nous t'aimons beaucoup. Bien de bonnes choses à toi. Et pour ce numéro spécialement, je dédicace ma très charmante épouse, Madame Nathalie Gomba, que Dieu te bénisse beaucoup, chérie, comme toi-même tu sais. Je vous dis au revoir et on se retrouve très prochainement dans un nouveau numéro. Achignon Bilongo, depuis les Émirats Arabes Unis, Dubaï. Merci, ciao.
See you. Bye bye.